Hey everybody, it's Jim Blevins back here again. I'm just beautiful spring weather we got out here. It's a nice warm 72 degrees about, I'd say. Yeah, look at that. We just got this nice river behind us. I'm sure it's warm enough for you to just jump in. Yeah, it's a nice day out here. Looks like we got a little bit of precipitation, but that rain shouldn't be too bad. Man, look at all these leaves on the trees. It's beautiful spring coming back to life. Everything's sort of coming. Where am I? Where am I? Where? Oh God. Where? Yeah, it's man, it's just lovely out here, isn't it? You know, you just got all this nice greenery out here, and ooh, there's some leaves right here for me. Just gotta get them off there real quick. Beautiful smells of spring and new life, and all sorts of stuff. Oh man, I had to take my hat off. It's getting too hot. Yeah, just sit back and enjoy this with me.